how to fix mobile minor problems at home और how to work as a mobile repair professional। घर पर ही मोबाइल की छोटी मोटी समस्याओं को कैसे ठीक करें या मोबाइल रिपेयर प्रोफेशनल के रूप में कैसे काम करें। अगर मोबाइल बंद हो जाता है तो मोबाइल की निम्न 10 जांचें करें। पहला, बैटरी चेक करें। दूसरा, बैटरी कनेक्टर चेक करें। तीसरा, बैटरी कनेक्टर वैल्यू चेक विथ मल्टीमीटर। 4, कनेक्ट मोबाइल विथ डीसी मशीन टू चेक पावर सप्लाई। 5, चेक वोल्टेज एट ऑन ऑफ स्विच आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग डीसी मशीन। 6, check power on off button। 7, connect DC machine to check power supply value। 8, check output 2.2 and 1.12 at boost coil power IC। 9, last step software flashing। 10, wash mobile clean heat cleaning। 10, must have tools for mobile phone repair। 1, soldering iron, soldering station, soldering iron kit। 2, hot air blower, SMD rework station। 3, precision screwdriver and mobile phone opening tools। 4, digital multimeter। 5, DC power supply। 6, magnifier or magnifying lamp। 7, ESD protection tools। 8, soldering consumables। 9, cleaning chemicals with equipment। 10, other miscellaneous tools। These are some tools used in repairing of mobile। First is soldering iron, this is soldering iron। SMD rework station, openers, these are openers। DC power supply, multimeter, ESD MAT mat, tweezers and brushes, magnifiers, solder wire, IPA। These are mobile parts, LCD digitizer assembly with frame, touch screen with frame, charging port, flex cable, battery, ear speaker, camera flash, power switch, volume flex cable, headphone jack, motherboard flex cable, middle plate, LCD buzzer, back battery cover, microphone flex cable। These are different places at the main board of the mobile। This is antenna point, on off switch, antenna switch, RX filter, network IC, audio IC, flash IC, RAM, UI module, logic IC, buzzer interface, PFO PA, this is PFO PA, BSI, VCO, power IC, RTC, charging IC, CPU, R22, MIC interface. This is MIC interface. These are power sections. These are power sections, and these comes under network sections. Notes. 1. UEM equal to logic IC plus charging IC plus audio IC plus power IC. 2. PFO antenna switch plus PFO. 3. flash IC RAM plus flash IC. Introduction. 1. Online free course in mobile repairing, card and chip level training. 2. Taught and trained by experienced teachers. 3. Learn mobile repairing with modern tools and equipment and latest technology. 4. Students can start their own business after completing the courses. Scope for students. 1. Students can start their own business in mobile phone repairing and cell phone industry. 2. Students can work as a technician in a cell phone service center. 3. Students can find job in cell phone industry. Course overview. 1. Introduction and identification of PCB, printed circuit board. Printed circuit board, PCB. 2. Fault finding of mobile phone, sections with block diagram. 3. Hardware of mobile phone. 4. Use of tools and equipment. 5. Mobile phone software. 6. Multimedia and downloading. Index. 1. Mobile phone dictionary, full forms of terms used in mobile phone. 2. Mobile phone repairing tools and equipment. 3. Identification of card level parts. 4. Identification of PCB. 5. Identification of big parts in a mobile phone. 6. Identification of small parts in a mobile phone. 7. About IC, integrated circuit and counting technique of leg type and ball type IC. 4. About current. 9. Circuit CKT symbol. 10. Sections of a mobile phone. 11. Software tools. 12. Software problems and solutions. 13. Multimedia and downloading. Mobile phone dictionary. 1. 1G, first generation in mobile technology. 2. 2G, second generation in mobile telephony. 3. 3G, third generation of mobile telephony. 4G, fourth generation of mobile telephony. AC, alternate current. BGA, ball grid array. BGA, ball grid array. BSI, battery status indicator. BSI, battery status indicator. CDMA, code division multiple access. CDMA, code division multiple access. CPU, central processing unit. DCT, digital core technology. DCT, digital core technology. 11. DC, direct current. GSM, global system for mobile communications. EMEI, international mobile equipment identity. IC, integrated circuit. LED, light emitting diode. LED light emitting diode. PDA personal digital assistant, PDA personal digital assistant, PFO power frequency oscillator, PFO power frequency oscillator, PCB printed circuit board, RAM random access memory, PF RF radio frequency, ROM read only memory, RTC real time clock, RX receiver receiving section, SMD surface mount device, TX transmitting section, UEM universal energy manager, VCO voltage controlled oscillator, mobile phone repairing tools and equipment, soldering iron or soldering station used to solder. This is soldering iron, this is soldering station. PCB stand used to hold PCB, solder wire ranga used to solder, thinner used to clean PCB, jumper wire used to connect one point to another point on a PCB, blade cutter used to cut and remove lamination, point cutter used to cut wire, nose cutter used to cut wire, screwdriver T6 T5 T4 plus minus used to remove and tighten screws from mobile phone, tweezers to hold wire and components, brush for cleaning, multimeter mobile phone repairing tools and equipment, multimeter to check PCB track and electronic components, blower SMD rework station to remove and solder SMD chip components, blower SMD rework station to remove and solder SMD chip components, battery booster to boost voltage of battery, ultrasonic cleaner to clean PCB and electronic components, BGA kit to reball and repair ball type IC, magnifying lamp to get magnified view of PCB and components, case and screen opener to open the screen and case of a mobile phone, regulated DC power supply to supply DC electricity, liquid flux to clean PCB track and lax of electronic components while soldering, paste flux used while soldering, solder paste, solder in semi-solid form used to solder, file, rethi cleaning sponge to clean tip of soldering iron, desoldering wire to desolder electronic components and to remove excess solder from PCB track, screwdriver kit to disassemble and assemble mobile phone, screwdriver kit to disassemble and assemble mobile phone, identification of card level parts, 1 fascia, 2 back fascia, 3 haddi internal fascia, 4 ringer loudspeaker, 5 speaker earpiece, mic microphone, 6 mic microphone, 7 vibrator motor, 8 LED, 9 charging connector, 10 headphone earphone connector, 11 data cable connector, 12 battery, 13 battery connector, 14 SIM card, 15 SIM card connector, 15 SIM card connector, 16 memory card, 17 memory card connector, 18 camera, 19 camera connector, 19 keypad button, 20 keypad button, 21 keypad carbon tickly, 21 keypad carbon tickly, 22 keypad connector, 23 on off switch, 24 display, 25 display connector, 26 antenna, 27 PCB, 28 PDA personal digital assistant. Identification of PCB. 1 antenna point. The point where antenna is connected is called antenna point. 2 network section. The section below antenna point and above power section is called network section. 3 antenna switch. It is found in the network section. It is made from metal and non-metal. It has 16 points or legs. 4. In some mobile phones, the antenna switch is merged with PFO. 5 PFO. It is present beside the antenna switch. 6 network IC. It is below or beside the antenna switch and PFO. 7 in some mobile phones, the network IC is merged with the CPU. Example EG, Nokia 1200, 1650, 1208, 1209, etc. 8 power section. This section is below the network section. 9 power IC. In the power section, the IC around switch, there are several brown colored capacitors. Capacitors is called power IC. In some mobile phones, there are 2 power IC. 10 CPU. In the power section, the largest IC is the CPU. In some sets, there are 2 CPU. 11 flash IC. This IC is found beside the CPU. 12 logic IC. The IC with 20 legs is the logic IC. 13 charging IC. In the power section, the IC beside R22 is the charging IC. 14 Audio IC, the IC parallel to power IC is the audio IC. 15. UEM, logic IC plus charging IC plus audio IC plus power IC. 16. PFO, antenna switch plus PFO. 17. flash IC equal to RAM plus flash IC. Definition of big parts. 1. Antenna switch. It is found in the network section of a mobile phone and is made up of metal and non-metal. In GSM sets, it is found in white color, and in CDMA sets, it is found in golden metal. Work. It searches network and passes forward after tuning. Work. It searches network and passes forward after tuning. False. If the antenna switch is faulty, then there will be no network in the mobile phone. 2. PFO. It is found near the antenna switch in the network section of a mobile phone. It is also called PA, power amplifier, and band pass filter. Work. It filters and amplifies network frequency and selects the home network. False. If the PFO is faulty, then there will be no network in the mobile phone. If it gets short, then the mobile phone will get dead. 3. RFIC, hanger network IC. It is found near the PFO in the network section of a mobile phone. It is also called RF signal processor. Work. It works as transmitter and receiver of audio and radio waves according to the instructions from the CPU. False. If the RFIC is faulty, then there will be problem with network in the mobile phone. Sometimes mobile phone can even get dead. 426 megahertz crystal oscillator. It is found near the PFO in the network section of a mobile phone. It is also called network crystal. It is made up of metal. Work. It creates frequency during outgoing calls. False. If this crystal is faulty, then there will be no outgoing call and no network in the mobile phone. 5. VCO. It is found near the network IC in the network section of a mobile phone. Work. It sends time, date and voltage to the RFIC, hanger and the CPU. It also creates frequency after taking command from the CPU. False. If it is faulty, then there will be no network in the mobile phone and it will display call end or call failed. 6. RX filter. It is found in the network section of a mobile phone. Work. It filters frequency during incoming calls. False. If it is faulty, then there will be network problem during incoming calls. 7. TX filter. It is found in the network section of a mobile phone. Work. It filters frequency during outgoing calls. Fault. If it is faulty, then there will be network problem during outgoing calls. 8. ROM. It is found in the power section of a mobile phone. Work. it loads current operating program in a mobile phone. False. If ROM is faulty, then there will be software problem in the mobile phone and the set will get dead. 9. RAM. It is found in the power section of a mobile phone. Work. It sends and receives command of the operating program in a mobile phone. False. If RAM is faulty, then there will be software problem in the mobile phone and it will frequently get hanged and the set can even get dead. 10. Flash IC. It is found in the power section of a mobile phone. It is also called EEPROM IC, memory IC, RAM IC and ROM IC. Work. Software of the mobile phone is installed in Flash IC. False. If Flash IC is faulty, then the mobile phone will not work properly and it can even get dead. 11. Power IC. It is found in the power section of a mobile phone. There are many small components, mainly capacitor around this IC. RTC is near the power IC. Work. It takes power from battery and supplies to all other parts of a mobile phone. False. If power IC is faulty, then the set will get dead. 12. Charging IC. It is around in the power section near R22. Work. It takes current from the charging and charge the battery. False. If charging IC is faulty, then the set will not get charged. If the charging IC is short, then the set will get dead. 13. RTC. Simple silicon crystal. It is found in the power section near power IC. It is made up of either metal or non-metal. It is of long shape. Work. It helps to run the date and time in a mobile phone. False. If RTC is faulty, then there will be no date or time in the mobile phone and the set can even get dead. 14. CPU. It is found in the power section. It is also called MADIC, RAPIC and UPP. It is the largest IC on the PCB of a mobile phone and it looks different from all other ICs. Work. It controls all sections of a mobile phone. False. If CPU is faulty, then the mobile phone will get dead. 15. Logic IC, UI IC. It is found in any section of mobile phone. It has 20 pins or legs. It is also called UI IC and interface IC. Work. It controls ringer, vibrator and LED of a mobile phone. False. If logic IC, UI IC is faulty, then ringer, vibrator and LED of mobile phone will not work properly. 16. Audio IC. It is found in power section of a mobile phone. It is also called COBA IC and Melody IC. Work. It controls speak and microphone of a mobile phone. False. If audio IC is faulty, then speaker and microphone of a mobile phone will not work and the set can even get dead. Identification of small parts. 1. Crystal. There are two types of crystal in a mobile phone. One, network crystal. This crystal is found in the network section of a mobile phone. It is made up of metal work. It filters network faults. If the network crystal is faulty, then there will be no network in the mobile phone. 2. Simple silicon crystal RTC. This crystal is found in the power section of a mobile phone. It is made up of either metal or non-metal and is of long shape work. It runs the lock of a mobile phone. Faults. If this crystal is faulty, then the clock of a mobile phone will not work and the set can get dead. 2. Coupler. This electronic components is found in the network section of a mobile phone. It is of either black or a white color and has 6 pins bent inside. Work. It filters network. False. If the coupler is faulty, then there will be no network in the mobile phone. 3. Diode. Diodes are 4 types. 1. Rectifier diodes. It is found in black color and converts AC current to DC current. It passes current in one direction. It does not pass current in reverse direction. 2. LED. It is found in white or light yellow color and emits lights. 3. Zener diode. It is found in charging section. It filters and minimizes current and passes forward. It acts as voltage regulator. Zener diodes has fixed capacity like 4 volt, 6 V, 8 V, etc. 4. Photodiode. It is used for infrared. It captures infrared rays. 4. Transistor. This electronic components is found in any section of a mobile phone. It is black color and it has 3 legs. It does the work of switching. 5. Regulator. This electronic components is found in any section of a mobile phone. It is of black color and has 5 or 6 legs. It filters current and regulates voltage. 6. Resistance. There are 2 types of resistance on the PCB of a mobile phone. A. Chip resistance. It can be found in any section of a mobile phone. It is black color. In some sets it is also found in blue and green color. It is the smallest electronic components on the PCB of a mobile phone. It decreases current and passes forward. B. Network resistance. It can be found in any section of a mobile phone. It is made from 2 or more chip resistance. 7. Capacitor. 3 types of capacitor are found in a mobile phone. A. Non-electrolytic capacitor. It is found in any section of a mobile phone. Its height is little more than chip resistance. It can be light black, yellow or brown in color. It has no positive or negative side. it filters DC current. B. Electronic capacitor. It is found in any section of a mobile phone. Its size is larger than non-electrolytic capacitor. It is found in two colors, one orange with brown strip and second black with white strip. The side with strip is positive plus and the other side is negative minus. It filters and stores current. C. Network capacitor. It is found in any section of mobile phone. It is made from two or more non-electronic capacitors. 8. Coil. It is found in any section of a mobile phone. It is found in many shapes and sizes. Coils are found in two colors, black and white, and second blue and white. It has binding of copper coil. Inside it filters and decreases current and voltage. Boost coil. Its size is little bigger than coil. It is found in black color and look like button. It increases current. If this coil gets damaged, then it has to be changed. Electronic components that will give beep when tested with multimeter on buzzer mode. If component is good, if component is faulty. Speaker. One speaker, one microphone, two coil, capacitor, three resistance, dioid. IC, integrated current. IC is an electronic component that is made up of many other small electronic components like resistance, capacitor, coil, dioid, transistor, etc. There are two types of ICs. First, leg type ICs and second, ball type IC. Counting. Leg type IC. Counting of leg type IC starts in numerical digit in anti-clockwise direction starting from the nose point or cut point. IC and counting. Ball type IC. Counting of ball type IC is done in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Rows are counted in digit numbers 1 2 3 4 in clockwise direction. Columns are counted in alphabet A B C D in anti-clockwise direction. Note: when counting columns, I and O are omitted because they look like 1 and 0. Current. Unit of current: ampere or amp A. Unit of voltage: volt V. Current: flow of electric charge through a conductive medium. Types of current: 1. Alternate current AC and 2. Direct current DC. Alternate current AC: the movement of electric charge periodically reserve direction. Example: power substation. Direct current DC: the movement of electric charge is in one direction. Example: power from battery. 1. AC current, DC current, capacitor, coil, fuse, resistance, circuit CKT symbols. Circuit CKT symbols: AC current, DC current, capacitor, coil, fuse, resistance, diode, LED, transistor, crystal, regulator. Ringer, faults and solution. Ringer, type of component that rings or plays loud sound is called ringer. It is also called by several other names like IHF, speaker, buzzer, melody, etc. Faults: 1. Ringer not working. 2. Less sound from the ringer. 3. Sound coming from ringer but with interruption. 4. Sound not clear. Solution: 1. Check ringer setting in mobile phone. Check ringer volume and silent mode. See video. 2. Open mobile phone and clean ringer point and ringer connector. See video. 3. Check ringer by keeping an multimeter in buzzer mode. Value must be 8-10 OHM. If the value is not between 8 to 10 OHM, then change the ringer. See video. 4. Check track ringer section. Do jumper wherever required. See video. 5. Check ringer IC. Heat or change if required. UEM logic IC. Heat, reball or change. CPU. Heat, reball or change. Notes: if there is less sound from the ringer, then change the ringer. 2. If the problem is not solved, then heat or change the ringer IC. Vibrator, faults and solution. Vibrator, type of component that vibrates. It is also called motor. Vibrator is controlled by logic IC and power IC. Faults: 1. Vibrator not working. 2. Vibrator with interruption. 3. Vibrator hangs. Solution: 1. Check vibrator setting in mobile phone. Check if vibrator is on or off. 2. Open mobile phone and clean vibrator tips connector. 3. Check vibrator by keeping the multimeter in buzzer mode. Value must be 8 to 16 OHM. If the value is not between 8 to 16 OHM, then change the vibrator motor. 4. Check track of vibrator section. Do jumper wherever required. 5. UEM logic IC, power IC, heat, reball or change. 6. CPU. Heat, reball or change. Light, faults and solution. LED, type of component that generates light in the mobile phone. These are generally LED or light emitting diode. Faults: 1. No light. 2. Light in only keypad or display. 3. Some light not working. Solution: 1. Check light setting. 2. Resolved all LED. There are two types of connection in the light section of a mobile phone. 1. Series connection and parallel connection. 3. Change display and check. Keep multimeter in buzzer mode and check LED. If LED is good, then it will glow. If LED is faulty, then it will not glow. 5. Change LED or jumper. 6. Check track and jumper if required. 7. Check boosting coil and change if required. 8. Light IC, heat or change. 9. Power IC, here reball of change. Light, faults and solution. Note 1. In all Nokia mobile phones there are two types of light IC. One ball type lights IC. Beside the boosting coil there is a small sized ball type IC. When this IC is desoldered, there are 8 ball underneath. This is the light IC. 2. LED type light IC. Beside the boosting coil there is a small sized 4 plus 4 8 minus 8 LED type IC. This is light IC. 2. Light IC. Backlight plus display light. Earpiece faults and solution. Earpiece type of component that help to listen and sound during phone calls. It is also called speaker or ear speaker. Earpiece is controlled by audio IC or power IC. UEM faults. 1. No sound during phone calls. 2. Less sound during phone calls. 3. Sound with interruption. Solution. 1. Check speaker volume during phone calls. 2. Check earpiece speaker by keeping the multimeter in buzzer mode. Value must be 25 to 35 OHM. If the value is not between 25 to 35 OHM, then change the earpiece speaker. 3. Check track of earpiece section. Do jumper wherever required. 4. UEM audio IC heat, reball or change. 5. CPU heat, reball or change. Note 1. If there is less sound or sound is not clear during phone call, then change the speaker. Microphone faults and solution. Microphone type of component that helps to transmit sound from one mobile phone to another during phone calls. Faults: no sound or less sound during phone calls. 2. Sound with interruption or change sound. Solution: check microphone settings. 2. Check and clean microphone type and connector. 3. Check microphone by keeping the multimeter in buzzer mode. Value must be 600 to 1800 OHM. If the value is not between 600 to 1800 OHM, then change the microphone. Note: only one side will give value, the other side will not give any value. 4. Check track microphone section. Do jumper whenever required. 5. Microphone IC heat or change. 5. UEM audio IC, power IC heat, reball or change. 7. CPU heat, reball or change. Note: 1. If there is less sound or sound is not clear during phone call, then change the microphone. Headphone faults and solution. Headphone type of component that does the job of mic and speaker separately. When we insert a headphone, the speaker and microphone of the mobile phone gets disconnected. Headphone is connected by CPU. Faults: 1. No sound from headphone or sound from only one side of the headphone. 2. Sound does not go from the mic of a headphone. Solution: 1. Change the headphone and check. 2. Clean headphone jack and connector. 3. Resolder or change the headphone connector. 4. Check check track of headphone section, do jumper wherever required. 5 headphone IC heat or change. 6 UEM audio IC power IC heat, reball or change. CPU heat, reball or change. Note: if there is a symbol of headphone without inserting the headphone, then there is a problem with CPU. To solve the problem, clean or change the headphone connector or sort the headphone connector. Keypad fault and solution. Keypad, type of component that help to operate a mobile phone. Some mobile phones are screen touch and are operated by PDA. Faults: no key working or only some key working. 2 key need more pressure to work, or when pressed a key works continuously. 3 one key is pressed and some other key works, or when one key is pressed some other key works simultaneously. Solution: 1 check facial of a keypad. 2 clean keypad thickly and keypad points. 3 keep multimeter in buzzer mode and check row and column of the keypad. If there is beep sound, then pad is okay. 4 keypad IC interface IC heat or change. 5 CPU heat, reball or change. Note: 1 in a mobile phone, when we press a key and it works very slow, then reload software to solve the problem. 2 if all Nokia mobile phones, if only some key works or none of the keys are working, then change the keypad IC to solve the problem. 3 if keypad problem is not solved by hardware, then reload software in the mobile phone to solve the problem. Screen touch faults and solution. Screen touch, type of component that help to operate a mobile phone by touching the screen. Touch screen is available in different size. It normally has 4 points, namely plus, minus, RX, TX. Screen touch is also called PDA. It is controlled by the CPU. In some mobile phone there is an interface IC called PDA IC or screen touch IC. Faults: screen touch not working. 2 only half screen touch works. 3 only keys is pressed and some other key works. Solution: check setting of a mobile phone has both keypad and touch screen. 2 clean and resolve PDA tips and PDA connector. 3 change PDA. 4 check track of a PDA section and jumper if required. 5 PDA IC heat or change. 6 CPU heat, reball or change. Screen touch faults and solution. Note: 1 if the PDA problem is not solved by hardware, then reload software to solve the problem. 2 construction of a PDA. 3 any PDA of same size will fit any mobile phone. Any one of the following 5 jumper setting will work. Display faults and solution. Display: the display section of mobile phone is controlled by CPU. In some mobile phones there is interface IC called display IC between the display and the CPU. Faults: 1 nothing shows on the display or display is blank. 2 only half display working. 3 display broken or crack. 4. Sometimes display works and sometimes it does not work. 5. There is only light in the display and nothing else. Solution: 1. Clean display tips and display connector and reset the display. 2. Resolder the display connector. 3. Change the display. 4. Check display track. 5. Resolder or change display IC. 6. CPU heat, reball or change. Display fault solution note: if the display is upside down or only half display is working, or if the display is broken, then change the display. If display is white and the display is changed but the problem is not solved, then reload software in mobile phone. In some mobile phone sets like Nokia 1600 and 72, then the set is switched on, the Nokia logo appears and then it disappears. This problem is the boot IC. Change the boot IC. In slider mobile phone handset, if there is display problem, then it is mainly because of display track patta that connects the display white display with mobile phone PCB. This will create white display or display will not work properly. Change the display track to solve the problem. Please subscribe to Violet TV to become Rainbow Universal School member, and don't forget to like, share and click the bell icon to get instant notification of Violet TV latest video. Thank you.